अद्यतन पंचांगम शार्वरी नाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे शिशिर ऋतौ अमान्ते माघमासे पूर्णिमान्ते फाल्गुनमासे कृष्णपक्षे अष्टमी तिथि till 7:40. That means it will be done in another 10 minutes. Then Navami, entire day till 6:17 a.m. tomorrow. That means after sunrise tomorrow it will be Dashami Tithi. Sthiravasaraha Jyeshtha Nakshatram till 11:08 a.m. followed by Moola. Then Vajra Yoga till 7:40 a.m. Again, so because the Tithi is ending very early in the day today, we have more yogas and more karanams. Siddhi Yoga till 5:22 a.m. tomorrow. After that, Vyatipata Yoga. Kaulava Karanam again till 7:40, followed by Taitila till 6:56 p.m., followed by Gara till 6:17 a.m. tomorrow morning, followed by Vanik. So we completed Ekadasha Sargaha last time. Let's continue with Dwadasha Sargaha. Atha Dwadasha Sargaha. One disclaimer. Dwadasha Sargaha, and like this, there will be a few more sargas also in the published texts that we see, where it somehow seems like some of the shlokas from the previous sargas are sort of repeated. We do not know if it is a publication mistake or that's how somehow the texts have come. But we'll see several set of sargas that will repeat, several set of shlokas that will repeat from the previous chapters. So there we will run quickly. Hopefully we'll complete 12 sarga very quickly and jump to 13 sarga today. So like always, one by one, we'll repeat these shlokas. Atha dvadasha sargaha.
Atha dvadasha sargaha.
Tatah kale bahutithe.
Tatah kale bahudite.
Kasminschit sumanohare.
Kasminschit sumanohare.
Vasante samanuprapte.
Vasante samanuprapte.
Rajnyo yashtum manobhavat.
Rajnyo yashtum manobhavat.
Uttamam. You repeated very beautifully. Because kasminschit sumano vasante samanuprapte. That's how we should say. Beautiful. So, couple points to note from here. Vasante samanuprapte. One first point to remember is, so even though they have decided that he wanted to do the Ashwamedha, Vamshanukarartham or Sutartham, Prasavartham, several functionally different synonyms were used in several shlokas in the past. But he waited for the right time to start it. See, just because we think of something, we don't start right away. We wait for a good event to start it, a good time to start it. So he waited for Vasanta Kalaha, from when couple of things. One, a new year also starts, and also is a good time to go out and run long time yajna, etc. So Vasante samanuprapte Rajnyaha Manaha Yashtum Abhavat. So Rajnyaha means Rajas. Dashratha Maharaja, he made his mind to start in the Vasanta Kala to perform yajna. Yajnam kartum yashtum means to perform yajna is yashtum. Pathanam kartum pathitum. Khadanam kartum khaditum. So likewise, yajnam kartum yashtum. So yashtum manaha abhavat. Kada tataha kale bahutithe. Kasminschit sumanohare vasanta kale. Vasante. So after the previous sarga where Sumantra explained all of that, Dashratha has finally realized that he has to do it himself. He has to go and invite Rishyasringa, he goes, invites, brought to his home, given separate quarters to Shanta and Rishyasringa. After that, Bahutithe Kale, Bahutithe means after several tithis, after several days, Vasante Samanuprapte, having waited for Vasantakala to come, having Vasantakala arrived, then he made his mind to do the yajna. Tatah prasadya shirasa
Tata prasadya sirasa
tam vipram deva varninam
tam vipram deva varninam
yajnaya varayamasa
yajnaya varayamasa
santanartham kulasya cha.
tantanartham kulasya cha.
Kulasya vai also. So tataha means after making up his mind that okay, now Vasantakala has come, now I will perform the yajna. Tataha, after that, Shirasa tam devavarninam vipram prasadya means having gone to prasadya means you go unto him, you go nearby him. Having gone to Devavarninam Vipram, somebody who can be described like a Deva, like a god, such a grand Vipram, which means Rishyasringam. Shirasa Prasadya means with his head down, Shirasa Pranamam Kritva. Yajnaya Varayamasa, so he requested him, Varam Yachati Varayamasa. So he requested a boon, or he requested his grace of Rishyasringa to come for the yajna. Why? Santanartham kulasya cha, to have a heir, a descendant, and kulasya for the family as well as to have a child. Kulasya santanartham vai yajnaya varayamasa. Tatheti cha sa rajanam.
Tatheti cha sa rajanam.
Uvacha cha samutkritaha.
Uvacha sa samutkritaha.
Kshamita, my mistake. Uvacha susatkritaha.
Uvacha susatkritaha.
Sambhara sambhriyantam te.
Sambhara sambhriyantam te.
Sambhara sambhriyantam te.
Sambhara sambhriyantam te.
Sambhriyantam
te.
Turagascha vimuchyatam.
Turagascha vimuchyatam.
So tatha iti cha saha rajanam susatkritaha uvacha. Okay, tatha. So it be all right. King Emperor like Dashratha asks, and I have anyway come here for that sake. All right, tatha iti cha. So he said, okay, and sambhara sambhriyantam te turagascha vimuchyatam. Now this we heard couple times in the earlier Sarga 7 and 8, right? Where after making the decision, after everyone says, all right, that's a good decision you made to perform Ashwamedh Yajna in order to beget its a descendant or a son or a heir for your lineage, for your dynasty. So that we heard a couple times there. Sambhara sambhriyantam te turagascha vimuchyatam. So same statement even Rishyasringa also is saying. Rajanam uvacha susatkritaha. So susatkritaha saha Rishyasringaha, well honored Rishyasringaha. Tatha, he accepted, okay, and then he says sambhara sambhriyantam te turagascha vimuchyatam. Tato raja bravidvakyam.
Tato raja bravidvakyam.
सुमन्त्रं मन्त्रिसत्तमम्
सुमन्त्रं मन्त्रिसत्तमम्
सुमन्त्रं मन्त्रिसत्तमम्
सुमन्त्रं मन्त्रिसत्तमम्
सुमन्त्रावाहय क्षिप्रम्
सुमन्त्रावाय क्षिप्रम्
सुमन्त्रावाहय क्षिप्रम्
सुमन्त्रावाय क्षिप्रम्
ऋत्विजो ब्रह्मवादिनः
ऋत्विजो ब्रह्मवादिनः.
So Tataha, after Rishyasringa said, all right, now go ahead and start doing your vyavastha. Sambhara Samriyantam essentially is in a way like start working on your vyavastha team, right, for our utsavas and all. The vyavastha team will start then thinking, what all do we need? Dhwaja, alankaran, cameras or food, etc., right? Venue, all of that. So that is all Sambhara Samriyantante. So then Tataha Raja Abravit Vakyam Sumantram Mantri Sattamam. So though he has several mantris, as we have seen last time, Sumantra is the eldest and also Mantri Sattama, the best, most capable of all the mantris. So unto that Sumantra, who is the most capable of all his mantris, Raja Dasharatha Idam Vakyam Abravit. He said this sentence. What did he say? Sumantra avahaya means ahvanam kuru. Avahayami, right? We say, right? Gayatri avahayami, Savitri avahayami, Saraswati avahayami. So avahaya is invite. Ahvanam kuru. Avahaya. Mantri Sumantra avahaya. Whom do you avahaya? Ritvijaha. Ritvik. Ritvijaha is the Bahuvachanam. Dvitiya Vibhakti also same. Ritvijaha. Ritvijaha avahaya. What kind of Ritvijaha? Brahmavadinaha. Those who are Brahmavadis. Such Ritvijaha. So that means not ordinary people who can just chant the mantras, but who understand and realized and have realized the Brahma Tattva, Brahma Padartha. Such Ritviks, invite them. Who are they? We know already. Jabali, Kashyapa, all of their Vasishtha, etc. So now anyway, who are they? Their names, Dasharatha is anyway repeating for us. So let's say the shlokas after me. Sumantram Suyajñam Vamadevancha
Suyajñam Vamadevancha
Jabalimatha Kashyapam
Jabalimatha Kashyapam
Purohitam Vasishtancha
Purohitam Vasishtancha
Ye Chapyanye Dvijatayaha
Ye Chapyanye Dvijayataha
Dvijatayaha
Dvijadayaha
Dvijatayaha
Dvijatayaha.
Dvijatayaha. So Suyajñam Vamadevam Jabalim Atha Kashyapam Purohitam Vasishtancha Api Ye Anye Dvijatayaha. So he said all such Brahmavadis who can be Ritviks, on all of them, such as Suyajña, Jabali, Kashyapa, Vamadeva, and the Purohita Vasishtha, and other Dvijatis, other twice born, which means learned wise men, who the educated learned wise men, call all of them, he's saying. Tatas Sumantrastvaritam Gatva Tvarita Vikramaha Samanayat Satan Sarvan Samarthan Vedaparagan. So these slokas are sort of repeating from the previous sarga, and so I have only listed them here. We already know the meaning. Tataha, from after that, after Dasharatha ordered Sumantra. So Tataha Sumantraha Tvaritam, in a hurry or immediately. Tvaritam Tvarita Vikramaha. The adjective given to Sumantra is Tvarita Vikramaha. One who is very very capable or very good at doing things immediately. Tvarita Vikramaha. Sumantraha Tvaritam Tataha Gatva. From there, Jake, I mean, having gone from there, Samanayat, Samyak Anayat, he brought all of them properly. Whom? Tan Sarvan, all of them. Samarthan, capable persons. Capable in what? Veda Paragan, those who are capable in and have gone beyond the Vedas. Param Gacchati Paragaha, Veda Paragan, Vedam Param Gacchati, those who have gone to the other end of Vedas. That means those who have completely studied Vedas. Unto he has brought all such people whom not only did Dasharatha list by names, but others also. Yecha api anye dvijatayaha, all of them also he has brought them. Tan puja.
Bhukaji, Shrivasar is waiting in the lobby.
Oh, is it? Why? How? What should I do? Where is he? Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Did he come?
Yes, he joined.
Okay, very good.
Dhanyavad, Bhukaji.
So we'll go to the next one. Tan pujayitva dharmatma
तान् पूजयित्वा धर्मात्मा
Raja Dasharathastada
राजा दशरथस्तथा
Dharmartha Sahitam Yuktam
धर्मार्थसहितं युक्तं
Lakshnam Vachanam Abravit.
सलक्षणं वचनमब्रवीत्.
Slakshnam Vachanam Abravit. So all those Veda Paragan, Samarthan, Ritvijaha, Brahmavadinaha, all such people who were brought by Samanayat Sumantraha, by Sumantra, unto them Tan Pujayitva, having given all of them their respective worthy honors, services unto them, Tan Pujayitva Dharmatma Raja Dasharatha Tada Dharmartha Sahitam Yuktam Slakshnam Vachanam Abravit. Then the Raja Dasharatha Abravit, he told this sentence, which is Dharmartha Sahitam, which is with or which is in line with Dharma and Artha. He has the Artha, the purpose, or he has his wish for to have his son, but it is Dharma Artha. Because otherwise you are wasting time of Brahmavadis, right? See, to perform, let us say, Satyanarayana Vrata, you can call anybody. Or let's say to perform some Ganesh Puja at your home, you can call anybody. But if you are calling such Brahmavadis, who are, great rishis, who are busy doing their tapascharyas, etc., in their ashramas, doing their research there, you invite them for Sutartham, then you better have it is also a Dharma Karya, not just an ordinary Artha Karya, right? So, Dharmartha Sahitam and Yuktam. Yuktam is apt. Most Dharmartha Sahitam Yuktam, most appropriate one. Slakshanam, also pleasing Slakshanam. Slakshanam Vachanam Abravit. He said this statement. What was that? Next sloka. Mamala Lapyamanasya.
Mamala.
Go ahead, Namaji. Mamalalapyamanasya
Putrartham nasti vai sukham.
putrartinasti vaisukam
Putrartham nasti vai sukham.
putrartam nasti vaisukam
Tadartham hayamedhena
tadartam hayamedena
yakshyamiti matirmama.
yakshamiti matirmama.
So this sentence he has uttered. What is it? Again, all of these shlokas are repeating, as I said. Mama lalapyamanasya putrartham lalanam kartum putrartham. See, I want to have that fatherly feeling of having a son whom I can, bring up with all that parental love, etc. That all of that together, that feeling is lalapyamanaha. Lalapyamanasya nasti sukham. I don't have that happiness, that ananda. Why? Because putrartham lalapyamanasya mama nasti vai sukham. Because I don't have a son. So tadartham, for that sake, hayamedhena yakshyami iti matir mama. For that sake, I want to obtain that through the hayamedha yajna. Iti matir mama. And so my mind thinks so. Next one. Tadaham yashtumichhami.
Tadaham yashtumichhami.
Shastra drishtena karmana.
Shastra drishtena karmana.
Rishiputra prabhavena.
Rishiputra prabhavena.
Kaman prapsyami chapyaham.
Kaman
Prapsyami chapyaham.
prapsyami chapaham.
Chapi aham. Chapyaham.
Chapyaham.
So tad aham yashtumichhami. That. What was that? Hayamedhena tad praptumichhami. Tad yajnam kartumichhami. So tad aham yashtumichhami. Shastra drishtena karmana. With the as prescribed by the activities as prescribed by shastras. Shastra drishtena, from the shastra point of view. Karmana, by the activities or by the tasks, from the shastra point of view, I want to perform that yajna. And Rishiputra prabhavena, by who is the Rishiputra here? Rishyasringa. By his prabhava, by his influence, by the effect of his very presence here, Rishiputra prabhavena kaman prapsyami. I will obtain all my kamas, all the desires. I will get all my desires fulfilled with the effect and influence of Rishiputra, Rishyasringa. I shall obtain them. That is what he's saying. Next shloka. Tatas sadhviti tadvakyam. Tatas sadhviti tadvakyam.
ततस्साधिति तद्वाक्यं
Brahmana pratyapujayan.
ब्राह्मणां प्रत्यपूजयन्
Vasishtha pramukha sarve.
वसिष्ठप्रमुखाः सर्वे
Parthivasya mukhaच्युtam.
वाथिवस्य मुखाच्युतम्.
So tataha. So the previous set of shlokas were sort of repeated shlokas from the previous sarga. Now again there's a new shloka. So tataha sadhu iti tadvakyam brahmanaha pratyapujayan. Unto the statements that Dasharatha has said, mama putrartham lalapyamanasya mama sutartham sukham nasti vai. Unto those statements, tadartham yashtumichhami. In those slokas, in reply to them, sadhu, oh good, iti tadvakyam brahmanaha pratyapujayan. In return, they have replied to Dasharatha by saying, sadhu, good decision or good mind that you made. Pratyapujayan. Who? Vasishtha pramukhaha sarve. Vasishtha and all other that names that we have already read, and apicha anye dvijatayaha, all of them, parthivasya mukat chutam. Chutihi is released or delivered. In reply to the sentences delivered by Parthiva, the king, Vasishta Pramukaha Sarve Brahmanaha Sadhu iti tadvakyam Pratyapujayan. They all have replied, saying, very good. Rishyashringapurogascha
ऋष्यशृङ्गपुरोगाश्च
Pratyuchurnrupatim tada
प्रत्युचुर्नृपतिं तदा
Sambhara Sambhriyantam te
सम्भारा सम्भ्रियन्तां ते
Turagascha Vimuchyatam.
तुरगश्च विमुच्यताम्.
So I think they want us to by heart these sentences. So varam varam te eva shlokaha punaragachanti. They keep those slokas keep coming over and over. Those sentences, so that we will. It becomes a standard, in memory for us. Sambhara sambhriyantam te turagascha vimuchyatam. So Rishyashringa purogaha purasara gacchati purogaha. By having Rishyashringa ahead of you, in front of you, those who go, they are Rishyashringa purogaha. That means all of them, including Vasishta, had Rishyashringa ahead of them, in front of them, and they all went. Nrupatim uchuhu tada. They said, by keeping Rishyashringa in the front, that means in the leadership of Rishyashringa, all of them, uchuhu, they said, Nrupatim, unto that king, tada, then, what did they say? Again, Sambhara sambhriyantam te turagascha vimuchyatam. May the horse be released. Sarvatha prapsyase putran.
Sarvatha prapsyase putra.
You are reading. Sarvatha prapsyase putran.
Sarvasa prapsyase putran.
Prapsyase.
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 Sarvatha prapsyase putran.
Sarvatha prapsyase putran.
Chatvaro mita vikraman.
Chatvaro mita vikraman.
Yasya te dharmiki buddhi.
Yasya te dharmiki buddhi.
Iyam putrarthamagata.
Yam putrarthamagata.
So, sadhu, they said they always start with a good thing, right? Sadhu. And then they continued their statement, which is Sarvatha prapsyase putran. By all means, Sarvatha, by all means. Sarvada, by all times, or at all times. So, Sarvatha is by all means. Katham Sarvatha. So, Sarvatha prapsyase, you shall obtain. Putran, Chatvaraha, you shall obtain 4 sons. Amita Vikraman, unlimited valor, unlimited valorous sons. Amita Vikraman. Why? Because yasyate dharmiki buddhihi. Because you had this dharmiki buddhihi. Putrartham agata. Your buddhi, putrartham agata. So you shall obtain these 4, powerful, very strong children, sons. Tata prito bhavadraja.
Tata prito bhavadraja.
Shrutva tu dvijabhashitam.
Shrutva dvijabhashitam.
Amatyanscha bravit raja.
Amatyanscha bravit raja.
Harshenedam shubhaksharam.
Harshenedam shubhaksharam.
Very good. So tataha pritaha bhavat raja. Areva, really? I'll get 4 sons? Super. So pritaha, he felt very pleased. He was pleased, and such pleased Raja, Dvijabhashitam Shrutva, having heard the speech or the statement of the Dvijas, of all those scholars, Shrutva, Amatyan, cha abravit Raja. He told unto his amatyas, unto the ministers. What did he say? Harshena, harshena, with delight. Idam shubhaksharam. This shubha aksharam. So, a speech or a sentence or a statement sometimes can be aksharam, can be vakyam, vachanam. So various synonyms, various words we are hearing that can be used. Shubhaksharam. That shubha is what? Good, auspicious statement. He said, what is it? Gurunam vachanat shighram.
Gurunam vachanat shrigram.
Sambhara sambhriyantu me.
Sambhara sambriyam me.
Sambhriyantu me.
Sambriyam me.
Samarthadhishtitascha
Samarthadhishtitascha
sopadhyayo vimucyatam.
Sopadhyayo vimucyatam.
Vimucyatam. So now this is the Shubhaksharam. Aksharam doesn't mean one letter. Here it means, it's good speech. What is he saying? Gurunam vachanat. Because all those gurus have said Sambhara Sambriyantam te Turagascha Vimucyatam. They said, right? So as told by gurus, Gurunam vachanat, from their instructions, Shighram Sambharaha me Sambriyantu. Sambriyantu is an instruction now. Please immediately, quickly go and get everything ready. What all? Samarthadhitishtascha. Samartha adhitishtitaha. Adhitishtitaha, stood by or set up by Samartha Ashvaha. A very strong, capable, well, healthy Ashvaha with well stood up, meaning well taken care of by, or well driven by Saha Upadhyayaha, along with Upadhyaya, along with the other kind of scholars or other kind of learned men. So Upadhyayaha Vimucyatam, may it be released. So there is some good bhashyam here. Gurunam iti Sambriyantu, Sambriyantam, same meaning but in different. Sambriyantu is in Lotlakara. Sambriyantam is in Karmanik Prayoga, which is passive voice. May you arrange aap karwaiye versus aap karo. So Sambriyantu is aap vyavastha karo. Sambriyantam aap karwaiye. So Sambriyantam. Arsham parasmai padam. Atra sambharaha. What are they? What are the sambharaha? Yajniya ashva mochanopakarani. Yajniya ashva mocha upakarani. All the tools, all the devices, instruments and other things that are required in order to release the ashva. What are they? Dvadasharatni rashana bhavati. So Dvadasharatni rashana bhavati. So there is one recipe that you have to make. Ityuktya Dvadasharatni parimita munjakyatruna vishesha nirmita rashana dama bhushita. If you hear if you had any time, Sri Krishna's Bhagavatam, it comes. So that Yashoda tries to pull all the dry grass and or whatever threads she had, whatever cloths she had, and she tries to bundle them together and make a big rope. Dama bhushita. Dama is the waist. One whose waist was decorated by the Rashana, by that rope. So Rashana means rope essentially. So Dvadasha रत्नि परिमिता मुंजा आख्यतृण विशेष निर्मिता रशना. So that rashana, that rope which is made with munja. Munja is again one of the grass, dry grass based. So how do you, if you remember in the old days when cows also in our house, I remember in my grandparents' house, cows, they were not tied with directly with cotton rope. They were tied with the dry grass hay, उसके साथ जो बनाया हुआ रस्सी, that is rashana. So with that चतुष्टस्य आपो भवन्ति इत्युक्त्वा उक्ताः. So 4 such आपः भवन्ति. What are they? आतपति वर्ष्याः, कूप्याः, स्थावराः, वहन्त्यश्च इति चतुर्विधा आपः इत्यादीनि. So 4 types of or 4 sources of liquid water essentially. Chatustasya apaha bhavanti. So rashana from dvadasha munji and water from 4 sources. What are they? Atapati varshyaha, from the rain rivers, from the rain waters. Kupyaha, from the well. Kupi is well. From the kupyaha, from the wells. Sthavaraha, those containers where you have them in your home. Sthavaraha. Vahantyascha, those by which you carry. So 4 types of water sources. I just thought I will mention this so that we understand what is Ashwametha Yajna. It has got nothing to do with what we otherwise also have heard from the Tantra sources, but from the mantra sources, these are the details of how they perform. So that is why I just thought I will mention them, though it may not be so much probably if you think it, oh, why do we need all these details? Just for us to understand what all is involved. Samarthaihi, they said. So samarthaha ashva, samarthaihi so samadhyai. So what are they? Chatushata rakshanti iti shruyamanihi rajaputradhyahi adhishtitaha rakshitaha. So when he said samarthaha adhishtitaha, so who are they, or what are the more details of what is that samarthaha adhishtitaha? Chatuhu shataha rakshanti. You need 400 people to protect that ashwa when it is released, because it will be going around wherever it goes. You need protection, and it is a challenge for others, anybody to claim it. And then if anybody makes a claim on it, then you need people to protect it. You need your army to protect it. So 400 samarthaha chatushataha rakshanti iti shruyamanaihi rajaputradhyaihi adhishtitaha rakshitaha. Sopadhyayaha. Now upadhyayas are also there. Who are they? Upadhyayaihi chaturbhihi ritvibhihi sahitaha, along with 4 ritviks, means learned scholars also. Ashwo vimuchyatam, a horse with 400 security forces or armed forces, and 4 ritviks with this horse which is tied with rashanas made of 12 different munjis, and with water from those 4 sources. Such ashwa vimuchyatam. Chatvar ritvijaha samukshanti arabhya shatena rajaputraihi saha adhvaryuhu shatena rajabhir ugraihi saha brahma shatena sutagramanihi saha hota shatena. So all these details of the vyavastha, sambharaha, are being listed here. I just thought at least we hear those terms, whether we understand them or not, whether we can get delighted or not, at least let us hear them, I thought. That is why I picked this bhashyam of what is samarthaha, sambharaha, adhishtitaha, saupadhyayaha, those detailed elaboration of them. So in addition to that, chatvaraha ritvijaha samukshanti, 4 ritviks will be going along with them. What kind of they? What are they? Arabhya shatena rajaputraihi saha, with hundreds of rajaputras, meaning kshatriyas, with hundreds of kshatriyas, rajaputraihi saha adhvaryuhu, with 100 rajaputras, there will be one adhvaryu. See, these terms at least we should know. And I was delighted, one of our Dharma ambassador, Sikshika from North Carolina, Nidhi Adhvaryu, her last name is Adhvaryu. Arey, wow, I felt. Adhvaryu is from 2 angles. One, Adhvaryu is the one who is the sort of presiding scholar of the yajna. He is called Adhvaryu. Also, from each Veda, these scholars are given different names. So Adhvaryu comes from the Rig Veda, and then Saha Rajaputrai Saha Adhvaryuhu, and then Shatena Rajabhihi Ugraihi Rajabhi Ugraihi Saha Brahma. Brahma is another title or post or another role. Again with another 100 Raja Ugraihi Rajaputraihi Saha Brahma. So one Adhvaryu with 100 Rajaputras, another Brahma with another 100 Rajaputras. Shatena Suta Gramanibhihi Saha Hota. Suta Gramanibhihi, with 100 Shatena, with 100 charioteers. Sutaha Gramanibhihi, those who can ride the chariots through rough terrains in a way. Gramanibhihi Saha Hota. Hota is another term. Orissa people have this Hota last name, because I had a couple of my friends from Orissa in my college. So Hota, that time I didn't know what is Hota. And poor fellow, he was not doing very well in the college, and तो उसको बहुत छेड़ते थे लोग. अरे क्या होता रे तुमसे, क्या होता? मैं भी सोचता था होता मीन्स अरे क्या होता, वो हिंदी वर्ड होता. Only after learning Sanskritam and bit of this, then I realized, अरे भाई, Hota is a great scholar from Samaveda. Hotas are from Samaveda. Adhvaryus are from Rig Veda. Brahma are from Yajurveda, and so on. Right? So these are scholars from these Vedas. Unfortunately, the last names carried on, but the grandeur or the excellence, intellectual excellence, was sort of lost in certain families. तो उसको ऐसा छेड़ते थे होता करके. So Shutena Shatena Suta Gramanibihi Saha Hota, and Shatena Kshatra Sangrahitribhihi Saha Udgata. Udgata is from Samaveda, because they sing Udgitanti, Udgiyanti, it is Udgata. So an Udgata along with Shatena Kshatra Sangrahitribhihi, Kshatram Sangrahitruvihi, with 100 armed forces, with 100 armed men, along with them one Udgata. Iti Shrutehe, says Shruti, says our Vedas, that in order to perform Ashwamedha Yajna, you need to. So in the beginning, we read, right? Chatushchata Rakshanti. 400 people have to protect them. Who are those 400? 100 Rajaputraihi Saha Adhvaryuhu, with 100 Rajabhihi Saha Brahma, with another 100 Suta Graminibhihi Saha Hota, and with 100 Kshatra Sangrahitrivihi Saha Udgata. So Adhvaryu, let us say these terms at least so that we will remember this. Adhvaryu,
Adhvar,
Brahma,
Brahma,
Hota,
Hota,
Udgata.
Udgata.
So these are our Vedic terms. These are our Vedic terms. At least we should know these terms and titles. That Panditji, Purohit, these are one level. But somebody who are stalwarts of each Veda are called by these names. Adhvaryu from. So if let us go the other way. I know Hota is from Atharva Veda. Adhvaryu is from Atharva Veda. Hota from Udgata from Sama Veda. I'm not sure if anybody knows Vikram or anybody else know. Maybe kindly, if you do, you know from these four, or who is from which Veda? From these four, between Adhvaryu, Brahma, Hota, Udgata. Udgata from Sama Veda. Hota from. Okay, let me not misquote. But each one is an stalwart in one of those Vedas. That much let us remember. So I took a while to read this whole Bhashyam. Primary reason is, from the story point of view, doesn't matter. But at least we understand how much of Sambhara Sambriyantamte, so much they said. What is involved in that Sambhara, in that Vyavastha, for us to understand? One point, that so much Vyavastha is involved. Second point is, that at least let us know some terms of our Vedic, Veda-based scholarly titles and names. Saraivyas Chottare Tire.
Saraivashottare Tire.
Saraivyas Chottare Tire.
Saraivashottare Tire.
Yajna Bhumir Vidhiyatam.
Yajna Bhurvim Vidhiyatam.
Yajna Bhumir Vidhiyatam.
Yajna Bhumir Vidhiyatam.
Shantayascha
Shantayascha
Yatha Kalpam Yatha Vidhi.
Yada Kalpam Yada Vidhim.
Yatha Vidhi.
Yada Vidhi. Sorry.
So again, here onwards, some more shlokas get repeated from 11th and 12th sarga, 11th sarga. Saravya, or in fact, in 9th sarga itself. Saraivyas Chottare Tire, on the north shore of Sarayu Nadi. Yajna Bhumir Vidhiyatam. May you set up the Yajna Bhumi, Vidhiyatam. Shantayascha Abhivardhantam. And we said Shantayaha is, what was the term used there? Shrama Nivartakasthanam. If you remember in the Bhashyam, when we were reading that. When we said that as rest areas or rest houses, rest tents, etc. be set up, because kings and several dignitaries will be visiting this Yajna Bhumi, and it will run for a long time. So let there be rest houses, rest areas, so that when they come, they have those rest areas. Not only that, we said there will be a lot of shifts. In shifts, all these Ritviks have to perform the Yajna. And so after one shift is over, for those Ritviks to come and take rest also, they are Shantayaha. So Shantayascha Abhivardhantam Yatha Kalpam Yatha Vidhi, which means as per Kalpa, that is the Shastras, as Vedas, and Yatha Vidhi, as per the Smritis. So as per Smriti, Shruti, let correspondingly let Shantayaha and Yajna Bhumicha abhivardantam, may they be developed or built. Shakyah kartum ayam yajnah,
शक्यः कर्तुमयं यज्ञः
सर्वेण अपि महीक्षिता,
सर्वेणापि महीक्षिता
नापराधो भवेत् कष्टो,
नापराधो भवेत् कष्टो
यद्यस्मिन् क्रतुसत्तमे.
यद्यस्मिन् क्रतुसत्तमे.
We also read this sloka and we talked in detail about the security aspect that Dasharatha Maharaja was very politically or in a nice in the what is it called, in a diplomatic way, in the right way, he orders them as to how to take care of the security. Shakyah ayam yajnah sarvenapi mahikshitah kartum shakyah. So may this yajna be may it be witnessed or evidenced or visited by everybody. However, na aparadho bhavet kashtah, aparadhah na bhavet kashtah, yadi asmin kratu sattame, if at all. That means if there is any aparadhi, take care of him. Chidram hi mrugayante tra.
छिद्रं हि मृगयन्ते यत्र
विद्वांसो ब्रह्मराक्षसाः
विद्वांसो ब्रह्मराक्षसाः
विघ्नितस्य हि यज्ञस्य सद्यः कर्ता विनश्यति. So again, all these slokas we have read before, so I'm quickly running through them. Chidram hi mrugayante atra vidvamso brahmarakshasah. Vidvans, Vedam janati iti vidvan, or with knowledgeable people are vidvans, and brahmarakshasah. We also read it both from the normal colloquial term of brahmarakshasa is those who are, very excellent in and what do you say, alcoholics of work alcoholic, we say, right? Workaholic, like in such a term, somebody who is extremely into it only is a brahmarakshasa. But the Shastriya definition also we read, those who have those who happened to have missed certain restrictions or certain certain discipline of performing the nitya karmas, naimittika karmas, or the yajna karmas. Such people who have attempted but have failed certain disciplinary activities, they are called brahmarakshasas. Raghuji, please read it. Apne chat mein rakha. Please read it for us. Or Deepti ji, whoever has put there.
Okay. Read it, sir. Okay. It is from multiple sites like Hindupedia and Wisdom Lib and multiple sites. So Advaryu is Yajurveda, and Udgata is Samavedam, and Hota is Rigveda, Brahman is Atharvana Veda.
Very good. Very good. We got it. So Advaryu is Yajurveda, Udgata Samaveda in you, Brahma are from Atharva, and Hota from Rigveda. Very good. So Chidram hi mragayante atra, because some of them might be or wanting to destroy certain things. So Vignitasya yajnasya sadyah karta vinashyati. Make sure that, if there is any such mragayante, chidram mragayante, if there are anybody who try to find faults with it or who try to disturb it, sadyah, immediately, karta vinashyati, get rid of him, take care of him. Tadyatha vidhi purvam me.
तद्यथा विधि पूर्वं मे
क्रतुरेष समाप्यते
क्रतुरेष समाप्यते
तथा विधानं क्रियताम्
तथा विधानं क्रियताम्
समर्थाः करणेष्विह.
समर्थाकरणेष्विह.
And we also talked about this point also as to how do you motivate or how do you please and motivate your colleagues in order to perform their tasks. Samarthaha karaneshu viha. You praise them like that. Arey, you are capable, na? आप कर सकते हो. You are so capable in doing it. And then ask them to do those tasks. So samarthaha karaneshu. So tatha vidhanam kriyatam, as per the as per the manual, as per the guidelines, may you please do it. Do what? Yatha vidhipurvam kratuhu eshaha me samapyate. As vidhipurvam, as per Vedas, as per Shastra, eshaha kratuhu me, my this yajna, as so it can be fulfilled completely in entirety, may you make sure that it be fulfilled accordingly, because you are anyway capable. So he says, tatheti cha tatah sarve.
ततेति च ततः सर्वे
Mantrinah pratyapoojayan.
मन्त्रिणः प्रत्यपूजयन्
Parthivendrasya tadvakyam.
पार्थिवेन्द्रस्य तद्वाक्यं
Yatha jnaptam akurvata.
यथा ज्ञप्तम् अकुर्वत.
So tatha iti cha tatah sarve mantrinah tat pratyapoojayan. They have in return acknowledged and have accepted. All right, we will take care of it. Tatha, okay, we shall do it like that. Tadvakyam yatha ajnaptam, as ordered by Dasharatha. Yatha ajnaptam, ajna ye praptaha te ajnaptaha, orders received by, and hence as ordered by Raja. Tatva Parthivendrasya tadvakyam, of the kings, that instructions, as per that they said tatha. And so they have accepted that, okay, now we'll take care of the security, don't worry. Tato dvijaste dharmajnah.
ततो द्विजास्ते धर्मज्ञः
Astuvan parthivarshabam.
अस्तुवन् पार्थिवर्षमम्
Parthivarshabam.
पार्थिवर्षभम्
Anujñatas sarve.
अनुज्ञातास्ततः सर्वे
Punarjagmur yathagatam.
पुनर्जग्मुर्यथागतम्.
Tataha dvijabhashitam shrutavan. No, this is not. So tataha dvijaha te dharmajñam astuvan. Dharmajñam parthivarshabham. Parthivarshabha, bull of the kings. Parthiva Shardula, Parthiva Rishabha, Parthiva Simha, various adjectives that we give in our texts. So Parthivarshabham Dharmajñam is a king, best of the kings, and also Dharmajñaha, one who knows the dharma. Unto such Dasaratha king, Dvijaha, te Dvijaha, Tataha, Anujñataha, got the orders. Tata sarve punaha jagmuhu, all of them went left. Yatha agatam, as they have come, so they have left to carry on the orders that they have received about security, about vyavastha, about all other aspects. Gateshvatha dvijagrieshu.
Ghate dvaja. Can you say that again?
गतेष्वथ
गतेष्वत
द्विजाग्र्येषु
द्विजाग्र्येषु
मन्त्रिणस्तान्नराधिपः
मन्त्रिणस्तान्नराधिपः
विसर्जयित्वा स्वं वेश्म
विसर्जयित्वा स्वं वेश्म
प्रविवेश महाद्युतिः.
प्रविवेश महाद्युतिः.
So गतेषु द्विजाग्र्येषु मन्त्रिणः नराधिपः, having after sending those mantrinah, after having sent them, seen them off, naradhipaha, the king or the lord of all the men, that means the king, naradhipaha visarjayitva, so having left them or having seen them off, svam veshma pravivesha mahadyutihi, with lot of duty, with lot of light in his face. That means very jubilantly, happily, gladly he entered his swam veshma, swagruham. So he entered his griha. Let's complete this. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Dvadasha Sargah.
भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.